Hey everybody, welcome to this unboxing for the new A800 headphones from Technics. These are the silver version, which I personally prefer. It is nice to have options for the colors of your headphones these days. But anyways, just taking a look at the back side of the box, the notable features of these headphones would be dual hybrid noise cancelling, ambient sound mode, which is used to hear external sounds, 50 hours of playback, and a 15-minute charge to get the battery back up to 10 hours of playback, which is pretty awesome. Of course, if you multiply that by 5, you need an hour and 15 minutes to charge fully to 100% battery, so you can definitely head to bed and wake up to some fully charged headphones. Now, let's take a look at what's inside the box. Inside, you'll find everything inside of the carrying case, and just under that carrying case, you'll find the user manual. So if anybody is looking to go in depth and learn everything about the headphones, this is there for you to use. Now, taking a look at the inside of the case, we've got the headphones themselves, a detachable aux cable, which is nice to have in case you run out of battery to operate wirelessly, or even if you're just not feeling like using Bluetooth all the time. You have a USB-C charging cable, which is really convenient for some of you Android users, and it's no wonder that only 15 minutes of charge time gives you 10 hours of playback. USB-C really is the best that there is right now. And then finally, we've got an airplane adapter, which I'm not too sure how common this is, but it is pretty awesome. You never know what plugs you'll run into, so having something to make sure you always are able to use the headphones is really nice to see. And since these all stay in the carrying case, wherever your headphones go, you'll always have everything you need for them since they fit into this convenient slot inside of the case. It will be quite nice for those who travel a lot for sure. Now, once you've unpacked your headphones, you'll need to set them up with your device. In this video, I'll show you how to connect with an iPhone, but the process for connecting is essentially the same for all devices. So first, we're going to open up the settings on the phone. Head to the Bluetooth section of your settings, and at the bottom of the page, you will have a section titled Other Devices. Once you've made it here, we are going to now be turning on the headphones. If this is your first time connecting, you will have no problem discovering it, as it will immediately go into pairing mode once it gets turned on. But if you have paired to another device before, you will need to initiate pairing mode on the headphones by holding the power button for 7 seconds, and once it begins flashing blue and red, it will become discoverable. Now that it is discoverable, you can connect to your phone or your computer through their Bluetooth settings. If you are using your phone to connect, be sure to download the Technics Audio Connect app to fully take advantage of the features that these headphones have to offer, like the specific noise cancelling settings and the audio level adjustments that you want, just to make sure that these headphones are dialed in to the settings that you will personally enjoy. There is a QR code available on the box for you to scan, so that way you can head straight to the download page for your device. Anyways, now that everything is unboxed and set up to my liking, I can go and enjoy the listening experience that Technics has to offer with these headphones. And I hope you enjoy your experience with these headphones as well.